Budgeting can be a daunting task, but it's an essential step towards financial stability and achieving your financial goals. The 50-30-20 rule of budgeting is a simple and effective way to ensure that your spending aligns with your values and priorities. In this video, we'll explore what the 50-30-20 rule is, why it works, and how you can use it to take control of your finances. What is the 50-30-20 budgeting rule? The 50-30-20 budgeting rule is a guideline that suggests dividing your after-tax income into three categories. 1. 50% for necessities, such as housing, food, and transportation. 2. 30% for wants, such as entertainment, dining out, and travel. 3. 20% for savings and debt repayment. Why does the 50-30-20 rule work? The 50-30-20 rule works because it provides a simple and straightforward way to ensure that your spending aligns with your values and priorities. By dedicating 50% of your income to necessities, you ensure that your basic needs are met, while allocating 30% to wants allows you to enjoy some of the things that make life worth living. Finally, setting aside 20% for savings and debt repayment helps you build wealth and reduce debt over time. How to use the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. Determine your after-tax income. The first step in using the 50-30-20 rule is to determine your after-tax income. This is the amount of money you take home after all deductions and taxes have been taken out of your paycheck. Calculate your spending categories. Once you have your after-tax income, you can calculate how much you should allocate to each spending category. For example, if your after-tax income is $5,000, you would allocate $2,500, 50% of your income, to necessities, $1,500, 30% of your income, to wants, and $1,000, 20% of your income, to savings and debt repayment. Track your spending. To ensure that you are sticking to your budget, it's important to track your spending. You can use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to keep track of your expenses, or simply write them down in a notebook. Examples of necessities. 1. Housing, rent or mortgage payment, property taxes, and insurance. 2. Food, groceries, eating out. 3. Transportation, car payment, gas, public transportation. 4. Utilities, electricity, gas, water, internet. 5. Healthcare, insurance premiums, co-pays, and deductibles. Examples of wants. 1. Entertainment, movies, concerts, hobbies. 2. Dining out, restaurants, takeout. 3. Travel, vacations, weekend trips. 4. Clothing, shopping, dry cleaning. 5. Personal care, haircuts, manicures, massages. Examples of savings and debt repayment. 1. Emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of living expenses. 2. Retirement savings, 401k, IRA. 3. Debt repayment, credit card debt, student loans. Final thoughts. The 50-30-20 rule of budgeting is a simple and effective way to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. By dedicating 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt,